The first step is to cut the cardboard into strips about 2 centimeters wide and slightly larger than the height of your jar. Don't worry about making the cuts too straight, as this will give an extra charm to your vase. After cutting the strips, you will soften them with your hands so that they become more flexible and easy to shape. Then, with the hot glue, you will glue the strips on the jar, starting from the neck and going down to the bottom. Make some curves on the strips to create a more interesting effect. Alternate between straighter strips and more sinuous ones. Now we are going to apply the spackling paste over the cardboard to give a more rustic texture to our vase. The first paste I made was too liquid and I had to make it thicker. The consistency of the paste should be firm, like a soft cookie dough, and not liquid like a cake batter. This way, the paste molds better to the shape we want. Use a spoon or your fingers to apply the paste over the entire surface of the jar and cardboard. Let it dry overnight. To paint our vase, we will use white acrylic paint as base color. Apply 2 coats of paint with a brush to cover well all the spackling paste. After the paint dries, we will give a special touch with gold acrylic paint. With a sponge, apply light taps of gold paint over the entire surface of the vase. To finish, we are going to use a sponge to apply light taps of white paint over the gold paint. Don't worry about being perfect. This will create a patina effect that will make your vase even more charming. And this is the result, a stunning vase that adds style and personality to any home. If you want to see more craft videos like this one, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button. And click here if you want to see another amazing craft.